Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to start a Microsoft Teams meeting in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we have to sign in or log in our account in Microsoft Teams in order for us to start a meeting. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, so on the left side there is a lot of options here or ways that we can start our meeting. Okay, but of course, is- uh, let's start with the calendar. Okay, as you can see here, you can create a meet now. You can click this one to start a meeting actually, and if you wanted to set a schedule for a meeting, you can also do that. And of course, you can also create a meeting link for a future meeting that you wanted to do. And of course, here in chat. So if you have group chats here on Microsoft Teams, as you can see on the top right here, there's a meet now. So you just have to click that one to start a meeting. And okay, so as you can see on my screen, so there's a pop up here. So that so the meeting is starting right now. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn something on these quick tutorials. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.